guys, another episode with me. I left work early and decided to just get some food at a local Chinese restaurant. I'm really hoping I can't hear me because people in here now like set up food and took all these things. So yeah.
When I come back, that's all. Come here after the beer. You don't need beer? I don't know. None they did when I come. Inhale. You go for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours. Yeah.
6 and thick.
Got him! Got him!
Okay, so yeah, I rate the food. Hey. Suppose the people them go watch me sit now, go report me so. What me buy again?
Special show main.
Yes. My special show main was 7.5 out of 10.
What am I buying? Special. They mess up my order, but it's fine. Same price, but.
Same price, yeah.
Yeah, alright. Isn't it? Alright.
You don't shine up here. Roughly all this up in my face. Oh. What's she say? Guys. Wait. Watch out. Stay graphic in the phone, can't stand up so. Oh. Guys, I would rate the food a 2 out of 10. I didn't like any jack about it. It wasn't popping. It was just, I don't know. It wasn't popping. Anyway, guys, I just put in my ear. Next verse.
Hey y'all. So I got the shrimp with broccoli, fried rice, and tropical redeem. The rice was flat, to be honest. It wasn't nothing too exciting. Out of 10, it's a calm 7. You can't go and you can't eat because they eat out. It was pretty good. It wasn't bad.
Whoever they hear out there, so they need to switch. So, who they come for, need to come out here, so. And who they here, so, need to go to. For one, Miss Lady mixed up my order. I ordered a shrimp, big shrimp fried rice, and this is a special fried rice. Anyways, so my special fried rice was okay.
Yeah.
It wasn't the best, and it never spicy. I ordered it spicy, and it was like the cheese wonton.
Money can't buy love, yeah?
That's all, folks.
When the money don't love them.